let's talk about partitioning schemes. So we have the master boot record and we have GUI partition table. These are two different methods for storing partitions, information on a disk. They are fundamentally different in how they manage this information, their capabilities. You'll see these options when utilizing block storage, okay? So let's compare the two. So for compatibility, MBR is great for older operating systems and is for BIOS. For GPT, this is modern operating systems and UEFI firmware. If you ever booted up a computer and went into the BIOS mode or the boot mode, that's the thing you're looking at, BIOS or the UEFI. If you have a modern computer, you're going to be using UEFI in most cases. The partition limit for MBR is 4 partitions, primary partitions, three primaries with one extended multiple logical partitions. GPT can have up to 128 partitions. There's no need to extend or have logical partitions. The disk size limit for MBR is 2 terabytes. And then the limit for GPT is up to starts at 2 terabytes, up to 9.4 exabytes. So they can get pretty darn large. For MBR, the partition table is stored in MBR itself. For GPT, they use a separate partition for the partition table known as the EFI system partition, or ESP. The boot process, you'll see BIOS, it looks for bootloader in the first sector of the disk. For UEFI, it reads the EFI system partition to start the bootloader. No unique identifiers are supported for MBR. GPT supports unique identifiers, which are GUIDs for partitions. There you go.